They're still so bouncy, so full. Hey y'all, welcome back. It has been 48 hours since I put in my pipe cleaners, and I just wanted to give you all an update on how it went. So a few of them actually broke off during me having them in. This is my second time using these pipe cleaners. Maybe it's my third. So I'm realizing that they're not able to be used over and over and over again like how I thought that they were. Also, the sleep the first night was pretty uncomfortable, but the second night I did a twist up style, like put all of the locks facing up, so that alleviated a little bit of the discomfort because I wasn't just laying flat on a bunch of pipe cleaners, more so I was laying on just a few. But we're about to go through this twist out, so stay tuned. Okay, so I am back with my curls. Do I have a pipe cleaner? Damn. Okay, back with my curls for the girls, for the girls. I love these curls. Pipe cleaners are the freaking bomb. Get close up. They're gonna drop and be so cute. So this is a follow-up video regarding my last video that I made on how to do a pipe cleaner set. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel so you can be updated weekly on what's coming next. Also hit like in the description below, that thumbs up if you do enjoy the information that I'm giving. To follow up with the last video that I made, these pipe cleaner curls have been taken down and now have been in for 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. I have not washed my hair in 3 weeks, which is why I'm making this video, because the time for me to wash my hair has came and gone, and these curls are still popping. So I'm just having a really hard time letting go. But I really felt like, okay, Kayla, you need to make this video and let people know what these curls look like before you have a crisis and your head start itching. So let me take this bun down so you guys can see what's going on, which I cannot. This is why I love pipe cleaner curls. They last so long and they're always so pretty. I get so many compliments on my hair. They're still so bouncy, so full, so pretty. Feel free to comment below what curl style or method that you prefer the most, because I've never done flexi rods and I would love to try them. I honestly just bought Wrap-A-Lock. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a video on those shortly. And yeah, comment below what your preferred method of curling is, whether it be Bantu, 2-strand twist. I'm interested. Let's get into it. Braid outs, whatever. Yeah, but I'm just really feeling this look. I got on my Locked and Loving It t-shirts that you can purchase with me through my Instagram. Just send me a DM of what color and size you want, and I got you. I'm also rocking my African turquoise earrings by Blues Traveling Jewels. All of her jewelry is handcrafted especially for each buyer. So her energy is manifested in this jewelry, and her energy is the bomb. So feel free to purchase with her. That link is also in my description. And yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little follow-up on what these curls turned out to be. I absolutely love them. And once again, watch the video on how I achieved this look with the link here, or when you get to the end of this video, it's going to be at the end screen, posted somewhere around this area. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning in consistently. I love you all for the support. See you next week.